how to change plan in Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change plan in Netflix. So in order to change plan in Netflix, all you need to do is first thing first, check your internet connection. Unfortunately, you'll not be able to use your application. So for that, you have to open up a browser and on the web address bar, type in netflix.com. Once you type in netflix.com, make sure that you're already logged into your account. After that, it's going to take you to this interface where you need to go ahead and tap the profile icon located right at the bottom and go ahead and tap on drop bar icon. While you're on this page, go to accounts, and as you click on accounts, over here you'll be able to see this sort of information. So here you'll be able to find your plan details. In order to make changes, go ahead and tap on change plan. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see multiple options to select the one that is convenient for you, and that's how you can make changes in your plan. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.